Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you a special project I made, my own 3D printed YouTube button. It has smart LED light inside connected with Zigbee to my home assistant. On the front I also added a NFC tag, so when I tap it with my phone it opens my YouTube channel. It's not only looking cool gadget, but also works like a light and has many useful features. Stay to the end as I will be talking more deeply about those extra features. So, this is my 3D printed YouTube button. The lights turn on and off, triggered by a presence sensor in my room. It can change colors and even flash after a few hours to remind me to take a break. I also set the automation to change the color from white to red at midnight, just so I know it's slowly time for bed. To connect everything, I am using Home Assistant with Zigbee protocol, which makes it easy to control and automate. The whole button can be controlled from a smartphone, computer or even tablet, and of course it reacts automatically with the presence or motion sensor. It's not only a cool decoration, but also very useful smart nightlight, and the option to automate this button are huge. Not only the few I've mentioned, but much more depending on how creative you are. I really enjoyed building this project and I hope you like it too. If you want to see more DIY, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.